Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make these super easy and very beneficial little oil pools. To start off, of course, we're going to be needing some oil. I'm going to be using coconut oil. Olive oil is another great alternative, but there are many other options out there. Coconut oil is a great option because it is antiviral and antibacterial. I'm going to be using about a cup of oil. Of course, you can tailor it to however much you'd like, and you could measure it any way you'd like. Next, I'm going to be adding turmeric, and you can use anywhere between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon depending on your preference. And turmeric is great because it is a natural tooth whitener, but do be careful because it does stain just about everything else. Next, I'm going to add in some of these mineral drops to help with the recalcification of the teeth. These are pretty strong, so I'm only going to be adding in about 5 drops. Next, once everything is combined, you can go ahead and add it into your chocolate mold. These little silicone ones are great just because they're a lot easier to take out. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. You can just leave it in a little jar and scoop it out as needed. And I do recommend that you use some kind of sheet or plate or something for transferring, just because carrying these suckers when they are fully liquid is kind of hard. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and transfer these to the refrigerator to set. You can also put them in the freezer if you have space. They will set a whole lot faster that way. You'll then transfer these bad boys into a clean jar and you'll be good to go. Keep in mind when you go to use these, because they are solid, they are kind of unpleasant to put into your mouth. So what I like doing is I just take one little pod, put it in a bowl, microwave it for about 30 seconds until the oil liquefies, and then I pop it in my mouth and swish around for about 20 minutes. I do hope you all will give these a try. Oil pulling is a great practice to implement because it helps whiten the teeth, it boosts the immune system, it promotes oral hygiene, it strengthens the gums and the jaw, it helps with bad breath, and it has many other benefits. Plus, how cute are these? I mean, really. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave me some love down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!